This 2024 Entegra Coach Reatta XL 39T2 is a Class A RV. It is located in Draper, Utah, 84020 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Entegra Coach Reatta XL 39T2 is built on a Spartan K2 Raised Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.